Hi, today let's discuss third person point of view. Again, point of view pertains to the perspective through which a story is being narrated. The first type is third person limited point of view. The narrator is external to the story, referring to characters by their names or pronouns, such as he, she, or they. The narrator only knows the thoughts and feelings of one character. Although this person is external, this narrator is only aware of one particular perspective. She walked along the path, feeling the warmth of the sun on her face. So she is only seeing what this particular character is seeing. There's another one, third person omniscient point of view. Again, the narrator is external to the story and has knowledge of multiple characters. So, for example, he walked along the path unaware of the danger lurking ahead. You have the character he. Meanwhile, she watched from a distance, knowing what awaited him. So this narrator is aware of the thoughts and emotions of multiple characters, of him and her. So that's third person point of view.